Hey guys, it's Robbie. While I'm sitting in traffic on my way home, I figured that I'd show you guys how bad torque steer is in this car. So I'm going to be starting second gear around 40. I'm going to floor it, and y'all will see how bad torque steer in a full bolt 85 speed 3 is. Because it's pretty bad. It just turns right. Also, for those of you asking about the lights on my dash, it's fucking annoying. The check engine light is for my downpipe, and the other stuff is for the SWAS unplug that gets rid of the traction control and the steering wheel angle sensor assist thing, so you can floor it through turns and it won't cut out if you lose traction. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that clip in a sec.